Athol Park Wrecker is now wrecking 2016 PX Series 2 Ford Ranger, 3.2 litre auto 4x4. Motor's a good runner. XLT, chrome mirrors, side steps. The Nosbury rack system on it. An awning. 126,059 kilometres. Good run and tested engine on its own coolant. Cloth trim. It's got a jack kit. Let's have a look. Nice rear seat. Roll bar tub liner. Got a couple of wheels on it. I haven't got a full set. XLT rear bar. Tow bar assembly. A couple of tail lights. Running boards, as you can see. An urban assault vehicle pack there. Good for a camping trip or mounting a 50 cal to if that's your thing. All parts guaranteed, fitting and shipping Australia wide. Contact us on 08 8341 1122. Thank you.